Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm cooking potato and pumpkin and cornmeal dumplings, guys, and stew chicken. I mean curry, stew chicken, curry chicken. You guys might look white, but it's yellow, guys. Stay tuned, guys. Alright, guys, the dinner is ready. So I'm gonna eat my dinner now. This is the rest of the food. The rest of the chicken for tomorrow's dinner. Watch me dine in this, guys. Watch me dine in this food. Guys, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Chris Pastry and share. Share the video, guys. So yes, guys, I'm gonna serve myself some corn. Guys, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. This Patreon vlog, and help me to read to grow to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Please like up the video and watch the video, guys. I'm depending on you guys. I'm gonna take my plate, turn on the stove. Take out the corn. Nice, big and juicy corn, guys. Look at it. Very hot. That is very hot and nice. So, guys, this is the corn. Margarine. And this is the mud. And this is the margarina. I'm gonna add it to the corn. See? Getting nice. Okay. So guys, I'm gonna take out more corn from the pot. And this one. Okay, guys. Margarina. Alright. So this is very hot, guys. Corn is very nice, guys, but it's very hot. Come to my corn spot. Yeah, guys, finish.